Hey guys, it's time to unbox the Huawei P10 Plus. This is the best phone that Huawei currently offers and the most expensive one. So it has a bigger display compared to the P10, a high resolution display and a bigger battery as well, more RAM. So yeah, let's get right into it. Let's remove the plastic. So the packaging is looking very similar to the Huawei P10. I have another seal, so I'm just gonna do it with my hands. No need to use the knife. Time to open the doors. Wow, that is some nice packaging. And here we have the Huawei P10 Plus with 5.5-inch display, and it's also in that dazzling blue color. I remember the name. So we have the dual Leica cameras, second generation on the back, as well as a Leica selfie camera on the front. So it also has this fast charging, Huawei Supercharge, and EMUI 5.1. Let's just get right into the stuff other than the phone. So we have the silicone case with the booklet inside, the paperwork you can say, USB Type-C cable, the normal headphones, and Huawei's fast charger. Let's move this stuff to the side and let's take a look at the star of the show, the P10 Plus. Removing this plastic. As you can see, we have this protector thing. Just gonna remove that as well. Looking really shiny. I have to say, if you're gonna go with the P10 or P10 Plus, go for the blue color. It looks really good. Blue or green. Don't get the black one. That's pretty normal looking color, and it has this pattern on the back and really shines. Looks really good. I actually love the blue color personally, so it's my favorite. We also have this blue metal on the sides. So let's get the phone powered up. So we have the Kirin 960 processor. I'm not sure if this one has 6 gigs of RAM or 4, but you can also notice that there's a protector on the phone that comes pre-installed, so I'm not gonna remove it. That's a plus point. And you can see we have the charging port, the speaker, the 3.5mm headphone jack down at the bottom, the cameras and the flash, the front camera, the power and the volume rocker, and the SIM card tray on the side. So exactly the same as the Huawei P10, just a bigger size and a more higher resolution display. So as you can see, EMUI. Let me know what videos you want to see. It has a 3750 milliampere battery, so if you guys are interested in a battery drain test, let me know. The S8 and the S8 Plus, they actually defeated the Mate 9, which has a 4000 milliampere cell in that test that I did. Both the S8 and the S8 Plus won against these two phones, maybe because of the 10nm chip. I'm not sure if the Kirin 960 is 10nm, but still, let's quickly enroll this. If you guys are interested, I will do that test. One thing I've noticed that Huawei P10 and of course the P10 Plus, they have the fastest fingerprint scanner currently out of all the 2017 flagships that I have used. So as you can see, press to the edges. Okay, get started. And there we go. So looking pretty good. I like big screen phones, so definitely if I have to go for these phones, I would go with the bigger variant, bigger battery, bigger display. It's my kind of taste. So let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. Look at that. No animation whatsoever, just straight up unlock the phone. So I absolutely love it. Going into the settings, about phone, you can see that it is coming with Android 7.0 Nougat, and yes, it has 6 gigs of RAM. So I thought they have released like 4 gigs of RAM variant here, but no, it's coming with 6 gigs of RAM. We also have 128 gigabyte of total storage with 109 gigabyte free. That's a lot of storage, and 1440p display. It's looking pretty good here as far as the specs and everything goes. But then again, I will be doing a full review of both the P10 and the P10 Plus, because I was actually waiting for this one to come so that I can do that collective review, so I can finally do that. We also have the P10 Lite in the house, so a lot of coverage for that phone is coming as well. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm really satisfied with the camera performance of this phone, although I haven't done any comparisons, but it's really good. 20 megapixel camera, so We have a lot of modes. Portrait mode, they have added that. Not like the Apple, it's still a bit different. The execution is not that easier or automatic like the iPhone 7 Plus, but still, you can get some great shots out of it. We also have the wide aperture mode here. We also have lots of modes here to play with: panorama, night shot, slow motion, time lapse. So it's a really good feature-packed phone, Huawei P10 Plus. Obviously, if you want a high resolution display and more battery, then go with the P10 Plus. Again, let me know if you want to see some test of this phone. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.